Pick up 2 small tabletop evergreen trees. Line up the trees bottom to bottom. Place some glue at connecting points of the trunks and hold until dry. Fluff out the branches of the trees on both sides. Take your sparkly picks and connect them to the center of the trees and arrange the berries into the branches of the trees. Take your hot glue gun and secure them in place with a little glue. Grab some ribbon in a coordinating pattern and tie a simple bow. Slide a piece of the wired evergreen strip through the back loop of the bow and tie the bow to the center of the swag. Take it a step further and glue your bottle brush tree and any other embellishment you like to the center of the swag. Hang your new swag vertically on your front door.
Head to Dollar Tree and pick up mini Christmas trees and ribbon. Take 2 mini trees, glue and zip tie the bases together, add red berries to the trees with hot glue, add a big fake bow with hot glue to cover the center. Take a basket and flip it upside down. Cut a small hole in the bottom, thread the mini tree through. Secure with glue and rope if needed to make sure it doesn't move. Add a burlap ribbon around the base of the tree. Take a mini tree and hot glue the base to the bottom of a square vase. Mix up plaster of Paris in a plastic cup. Follow the instructions on the container. Allow plenty of time to dry. Wrap the vase with snow, batting, or burlap. Add a burlap strand and Christmas ribbon with a bow to the front.
Begin with a Dollar Tree square wreath form. You will take some wire cutters and cut through the 3 wires at one corner. Then go to the opposite corner and cut through those 3 wires. Grab a Dollar Tree pool noodle and slide it into the curved part of your remaining frame. Use a sharp knife to trim the pool noodle to fit within the frame. You're going to use pipe cleaners to secure the pool noodle to the frame. Use 2 evergreen garlands to wrap around the frame and the pool noodle to cover up both of them. Take a Dollar Tree white Christmas tree, fluff the tree, and lay it along one side of your frame on top of the green garland. Using white pipe cleaners, wrap them around the tree and the pool noodle and frame. Now we get to decorate. I used silver ornaments from Dollar Tree and some silver branches. Now we have to cover up those pool noodle ends. Now it's time to hang them and display them. I used 1 command hook on each side just above my doorway entrance.
I'm beginning with the Dollar Tree Christmas tree, and the first step is to disassemble the tree entirely. Now that the tree is completely disassembled, I'm going to be using 3 of the 15-foot garlands. I am using the white branches from the original tree to measure out multiple branches at the same length from my garland. Take twine from the Dollar Tree and 3 of the branches to combine them into a fork-type shape. Now that my branches are bundled together, I'm moving on to the next step of mixing together a combination of flocking powder and fake snow in a container. Once the branch is completely covered, dip or coat the branch in the flocking powder, and you're going to repeat this step many more times, and you're going to want to let the branches dry overnight. Take the original metal rod that was part of the original tree, some twine, and a few loose branches to create a bundle for the top of the tree. I'm simply adding to the bundle, wrapping with my twine around that metal rod, and continuing the process all the way down until I run out of branch bundles. Secure the bottom of the twine with a little hot glue. Use a popsicle stick, cut it in half. From there, take a plastic bowl, and I'm going to flip it upside down and hot glue the popsicle stick to the bottom part of the cup. I glued the base of the cup to the bottom of the bowl. Mix together plaster of Paris with water as directed on the package. You're going to pour the mixture and give it plenty of time to completely harden. Take a couple pieces of burlap, gather and wrap the burlap around the base to cover the bowl completely. Using a piece of rope from Dollar Tree, wrap it around to secure the burlap and tie it in a bow.